Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about the increased chance of a cold wave over Europe starting from the 14th of February. First, we are going to have the cold wave spilling southwards over northern Europe around the 12th of February, and then it's going to continue its way to the south. Let's now check this directly from the ensemble of the GFS model, the Global Forecasting System. This is the American model, and we're going to look the ensemble, which means that we're taking just the average of all of the simulations of this model. Now you can see this cold wave on the 14th of February, and it's going to continue to spew to the south, and it can spew in all those directions that I am showing you right now. It's going to spew even to the southwest, to the south, or the southeast as well. And in this area here that I'm currently circling, we can expect the possibility of snowstorms developing when this cold air interacts with the moisture either from an Atlantic system or with the moisture from the Mediterranean Sea or the Black Sea. Then we can have the possibility of a formation of a cyclone, either an Atlantic system, or it can be a Mediterranean cyclone, or later even a cyclone in the Black Sea. And all this cold air interacting with this moist air can potentially create some powerful snowstorms after the 15th-16th of February. So now let's continue directly with the animations that I have prepared for you. Okay, so right now we're looking at a map that is showing us what is the pressure around 5.5 kilometers above the ground, and here you can see this powerful anticyclone that I have circled here around Scandinavia. This is around the 10th of February, and this anticyclone is expected to move to the north-northwest and position itself around Greenland in this direction that I'm showing you on the map right now. And once this anticyclone moves in there and positions itself over Greenland, then this is going to further allow for this trough, basically lower pressure with colder air, to spew over Europe and even reach the southern parts of Europe as well. So this is the expectation so far, and we can say that there is a high chance of this cold wave affecting a lot of parts of Europe now after the 14th-15th of February. Now we're looking directly at a map at 10 hectopascals. This is in the stratosphere, around 25 to 32 kilometers above the ground, and you can see the area where we have a major stratospheric warming which can disrupt the polar vortex, and it is expected to disrupt it. But notice what happens later. In February we are seeing one more area of warming in the stratosphere around the 24th of February. It goes over Europe, which means that there is a higher chance of the polar vortex being elongated, as you can see now here on the map with the winds on 10 hectopascals. You can see how this polar vortex is going to get elongated, and this is going to allow for further strengthening of a blocking over Greenland or Scandinavia and easterly winds over Europe with higher chance of cold spells late February and early March. So this is the idea right now, what we can expect for Europe. This is the most likely scenario. So we're going to monitor in the next days and see exactly how this cold wave is going to affect Europe, and we're going to see all the details unfolding day by day when we have new data. So stay tuned for my next forecasts.